ALFIE'S Driving School offers expert driving lessons in Dagenham with both manual and automatic driving instructors. Whether you are a complete beginner wanting to learn to drive in Dagenham or you just need some refresher lessons, we have you covered. At the roundabout, we're going to follow the road ahead, first exit going towards Dagenham. This is a popular Dagenham test route. Indicating left in good time, checking our mirrors, looking to the right nice and early, assessing the situation. Checking our mirrors once we enter a new road, keeping an eye to the left as you cannot use that bus lane at any time. Currently now driving on Dagenham Road. Thanks for watching. Book your driving lessons in Dagenham with ALFIE'S Driving School today. Get in touch to secure your slots.